Microsoft has released more cumulative updates for this month, which are available for some versions of Windows 10, including 1803, 1709, 1703, and 1607. There is nothing available for the latest Windows October 10, 2018 update, version 1809, as yet. Windows April 10, 2018 update, version 1803, gets quite a long list of bug fixes, but also carries a handful of known issues. Here's everything that has been fixed with Windows 10 1803 build 17134.677, KB 4489894, addresses an issue with a Microsoft Access 97 database that stops a requested operation when a table or column has custom properties, addresses an issue that prevents Microsoft Office updates from downloading from the Microsoft Store, updates time zone information for Buenos Aires, Argentina. Addresses an issue with Microsoft Office Visual Basic for applications that fails to use the Japanese era registry settings for dates in the Japanese format. For more information, see KB 4469068. Updates time zone information for Kazakhstan. Updates time zone information for São Tomé and Príncipe. Addresses an issue that prevents users from enabling GAN support for the Japanese era. For more information, see KB 4469068. Addresses an issue that causes a device to periodically stop responding when using an East Asian locale. Addresses a reliability issue that may cause a laptop screen to remain black after resuming from sleep if you close the lid when disconnecting from a docking station. Addresses an issue with the group policy, turn off app notifications on the lock screen. Addresses an issue that may prevent users from signing in and cause account lockouts when using the AppV client to start applications. The issue occurs because Kerberos authentication fails when trying to get user information from the domain name server, DNS. Modify the following registry key, setting, use DC for get user info path, key _local _machine /software /Microsoft /of /shared /type, reg _word value, setting the following word to non-zero will enable the solution. Addresses an issue with the Windows lock screen that prevents users from unlocking a device after multiple smart card users have used the same device. This issue occurs when you attempt to use a workstation that another user has locked. Addresses an issue that prevents the authentication credentials dialog from appearing when an enterprise web server attempts to connect to the internet. Addresses an issue that causes a client or server to restart when using a smart card to log in with username hints to an Azure Active Directory (AAD) joined machine using remote desktop services. Addresses an issue in which multiple device entries exist for a single, hybrid domain joined device. Addresses an issue that removes the allow classes policy from the policy XML file when you run the add signer rule for Windows Defender application control. Addresses an issue that prevents a virtual smart card from starting when running in conjunction with Citrix July 15, 2000 workstation VDA software. Addresses an issue that prevents a user from authenticating and causes Windows Account Manager (WAM) to fail when using a Trusted Platform Module (TPM). Addresses an issue that causes certificate renewal to fail when using cert_renewal_prop_ID with the iCert property renewal interface. Adds a new group policy setting called Enable Windows to soft disconnect a computer from a network. This determines how Windows will disconnect a computer from a network when it determines that the computer should no longer be connected to the network. If enabled, Windows will soft disconnect. Disconnection is not immediate or abrupt, a computer from a network. If disabled, Windows disconnects a computer from a network immediately. If not configured, the default behavior is soft disconnect. For more information about soft disconnect, see Understanding and Configuring Windows Connection Manager. Path: Computer configuration /policies /administrative templates /network /Windows Connection Manager addresses an issue that may cause the error, stop 0 by 133 in ntfs.sys. Addresses an issue that causes Windows to reuse an expired Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, lease if the lease expired while the OS was shut down. addresses an issue that may cause the Virtual Machine Management Service (VMMS) to stop working. This issue occurs when executing a live migration using a Measure VM template or any metric Windows Management Instrumentation (WMI) query. Addresses an issue in which the Graphics Device Interface (GDI) delete object may cause the calling process to stop working when both of the following conditions are true. The calling process is a WAL64 process that handles memory addresses larger than 2 GB. The delete object is called with a device context that is compatible with a printer device context. Provides seamless integration with Microsoft Cloud App Security (MCAS) to discover cloud app usage inside and outside the corporate network for Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection (ATP) customers. Enhances automated investigation and remediation, including memory forensics, for Windows Defender ATP customers. Addresses an issue that prevents the turn-off app notifications on the lock screen policy from working. The path is computer configuration /administrative templates /system /logo. Addresses minor issues with unknown options, unknown OPT, in the extension mechanisms for DNS, EDNS, for the Windows DNS server role. There are 5 known issues with this build. Microsoft has shared workarounds for several of them. Apart from version 1803, Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, version 1709, has received KB 4,489,890, build 16,299.1059, Windows 10 Creators Update, version 1703, has received KB 4,489,888, build 15,063.1716, and Windows 10 Anniversary Update, version 1607, has been bumped up to build 14,393.2879, KB 4,489,889. You can install these latest updates by going to Settings >Update and Security Windows Update check for updates. Relevant, biggest feature of upcoming Win 10 2019? Ability to pause